fucking meals.
Let me give her a squeeze. I wanna go home now.
Lost the Mandarin Gang.
Show us your hand, pal. Alright, dude, let me see what I can pull out. Big titties, fat ass. No, blue balls. Let me show you what it's all about. Jesus! Barker, is that a trap? No, Dutch, I'm sorry. I did not know that it had a penis.
Black Market Gay. You know we do the gay, boy.
Oh no, come on, I'm not gay, I swear.
Yeah, we'll see about that, Micah.
No,